You are most welcome in PNT online physics classes. Today we are here with a new video based on delta star conversion. Delta star conversion is a technique to find out the equivalent resistance in complicated circuits. Here this type of structure is called delta. This is a triangle, that's why we call it delta. Now we convert this triangle into equivalent circuit as shown as this part, which is known as star. In this technique, there are three resistances on the three arm: X, Y and Z. Very simply, we have to draw again three resistances. Instead of this branch, we have a new branch. Its resistance will be product of these two branches, X into Y, divided by sum of all the three resistances, that is X into Y upon X plus Y plus Z. Now at this junction there will be other branch and its value will be Y multiplied by Z divided by X plus Y plus Z, and third branch will be the product of remaining two branch, that is X into Z divided by X plus Y plus Z. So denominator on three branches will be same, means sum of the three resistances X plus Y plus Z, and each branch will consist the product of two branches, adjacent branches. How we use this in the circuit? So let us see. Generally, delta star conversion technique is used in unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. Here you can see that this is a Wheatstone bridge in which four resistances are there and one resistance is in common arm. So this portion BCD can be treated as delta and we will convert it into star. So for this we have to add these three resistances X, Y, Z. Now in these two branches there will be X into Y divided by X plus Y plus Z. So this is the resistance connected with B. Now resistance connected with branch D will be product of the adjacent branch Y and Z. So Y into Z divided by X plus Y plus Z, and third branch will be product of these two branches X into Z divided by X plus Y plus Z. Now this circuit is very simple, and by adding these two in series, then finally we will solve this circuit as simple case. So let us see this with an example. See, this is a question. It looks like Wheatstone bridge. There are resistances 2, 4, 2, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. Now we have to find the equivalent resistance and current. So first we will check whether it is balanced or not. So for this we calculate RAB upon RBC. Ratio of these two, this is 1 by 2, and ratio of these two resistances. Ratio of these two resistances is 4 upon 2. Ratio of these two resistances is 4 upon 2. That is, on solving we get 2 upon 1. But this ratio 2 upon 4, this is 1 by 2. Since these two ratios, means ratio of this branch and this branch, is not equal. The ratio is not equal, and when ratio is not equal, it means it is not a balanced Wheatstone bridge. So in this situation we cannot eliminate the central branch. So in this situation we apply the technique which is known as delta star conversion. So now we are going to use delta star conversion at this point. So we will convert this delta into star. So what will happen? 6 in sum of these three resistances is 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12. Then first branch will become 6 into 4, means 24 upon 12. On simplification it will give 2. This junction will become 6 to the 12 divided by 12, that is 1 ohm, and the third branch will become product of these two, means 4 to the 8. divided by 12, which give 2 by 3. So now we will replace this. We will replace this delta by this star. We will replace delta by the star, and our circuit looks like this. We have already 2 ohm and 4 ohm resistances from the question, and from the delta star conversion we get 2 ohm, 1 ohm and 2 by 3 ohm. Now 2 and 2 ohm becomes 4 ohm, and 4 ohm and 1 ohm in lower branch becomes 5 ohm, because these are in series. Now we can very simply find out equivalent resistance by these two into parallel, and then 2 by 3 into series, which give us equivalent resistance 26 by 9. Once we have calculated the equivalent resistance, we can find the total current. Dear friends, total current will be I is V upon R, that is V is 6 volt here in this case. So current I will be 6 divided 26 by 9, that is 27 by 13. So the cases in which unbalanced Wheatstone bridge is there in the circuit, a delta star conversion is a very effective and very easy technique. So you can always use delta star conversion in these type of situations. Thank you. In the next video we will again discuss some very important topics. Thank you.